By the end of this video, you'll have all of your site's basic customizations completed. Let's get started. WordPress themes used to include customization pages within the dashboard, but modern themes include their customization options in the Live Customizer. To use the Live Customizer, log into your site, hover your mouse over the Appearance menu, and click the Customize link. On the left side of the screen is the Customizer panel, and each of these sections found here contains a different set of customization settings. On the right side of the screen is a preview that updates as you make your customizations. None of the edits you make in the Customizer will be publicly visible until you click the Publish button, so you can take your time editing without worrying about affecting your visitors. Even better, WordPress now lets you save drafts of your Customizer changes. Keep an eye on the Publish button, and I'm going to open up the Site Identity section and just make a quick change here to make the Publish button clickable and reveal the gear icon. If you click on the gear, you'll see this new panel appear with options to save your changes as a draft or even schedule them to go live at a later time and date. Additionally, there is a preview link here you can use to show other people how the site will look before going live. At the very bottom of the sidebar is this button you can use to hide the controls and get a full screen preview of the site. Right next to it, you'll find these buttons, which allow you to instantly change the size of the preview from a desktop monitor size down to a tablet or a mobile device, and back whenever you'd like. Next up, there's a setting here you can use to change your theme from directly in the Customizer. Clicking the Change button will reveal all of your currently installed themes, which you can live preview, and you can also search for free themes from within the Customizer if you click on the WordPress.org themes option. So those are the various options that come included in the Customizer, but most of the time, you'll be working with the customization settings found here. It's important to know that the sections highlighted now are all added by WordPress and are available on every site. Every other section you find here was added by your theme, so in this case, the customization options highlighted now are added by Apex. I'm not going to go through each section meticulously because you won't have the same settings unless you also use the Apex theme, and to be honest, most of them are self-explanatory. But I'll give you a quick tour so you can get an idea of what kind of options you can find in the Customizer. Inside the Site Identity section, you can change the site title and tagline, and also add a site icon. This is sometimes referred to as the favicon or favicon, and it's the little image that displays next to your site title in the Browser tab. The site title and tagline options are also available in the General Settings menu, but you can get an instant preview if you set them here. Next up, we have the Homepage section, which is where you can update the homepage to display a static page instead of a list of your latest posts. This is the same setting you saw previously in the Reading Settings menu. Apex adds a logo section where you can upload an image to replace the site title, and you can find a similar logo feature in virtually every WordPress theme. Social media icons are also included in Apex, like most themes, and you can enter in the URLs of your social profiles, and a clickable icon will be added automatically into the header. There's also a search bar that can be enabled or disabled in the header of the site. Inside the blog section, you'll find an option to switch the post excerpts to full posts on the homepage, which is available in most themes, as well as an excerpt length setting and a field to customize the Read More button text. Lastly, the additional options section includes a few other settings for displaying or hiding various elements throughout the template, like the post author name in the post byline. In the next two videos, we'll take a close look at how to use menus and widgets in WordPress, so we'll check those out in just a moment. And the one other section is called Additional CSS, and this is used to add code to your site to tweak its appearance. It's mainly here for technical users, although you might copy and paste some code that's pre-written for you at some point. As I said previously, the options you find here will change dramatically with the theme you pick. Some themes include options like custom colors, different layouts, image sliders, and all sorts of other features inside the Live Customizer. For now, I think that gives you a good look at what you can expect when customizing your site. In the next video, you'll continue customizing your site by creating your own custom menu. I'll see you there.